Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. So today I decided to make a video for installing Office 365 on a new laptop. I've got that request a couple of times. Hey Stanley, how do I install Office 365 on my machine? The one I have is outdated and all those stuff. So I decided to make a video of that. So first things first, you need an Office 365 account, and you need to visit office.com, right? And you'll be asked to sign in. I have one already, so I would key that in. Yeah, this is my account. Go next. It picks my password, and I'm signed in. Still signed in. Yes. Right. So once you get signed into the admin center, the first place to look at is this section where you have the install office icon here. So once you click on this, you'd have two options. One is to install the Office apps. Then you can check for other installs for situations where you have an Office 365. You have an Office 365 account, and you have a project or all those good stuff. So clicking on this would show you other applications you have access to install. So at this point, I think it's just only the Office few apps and devices, where you check how many devices have Office installed currently. I don't have. Okay, I have two devices. There you go, and I can actually sign out of all of them, or whatever the case may be. So we'll go back to this page. Click on install. Click on Office 365 apps. So it downloads an installer, and all you need to do is follow these easy steps to get it installed. So for those on the metered network, you would need at least 2 GB for it to download the needed files and process accordingly. So that's it. Quite to think it's just 3 clicks of the mouse. Sign in, click on install, download, and click to run. Yeah, so that's it. And do well to reach out to me. You could drop a message on my LinkedIn channel. You could drop on my YouTube. Reach out and answer any queries you have on help to set up to get an Office 365 account. You can also reach out to me. I would gladly help around those topics. So thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.